Hello guys, this is a quick unbox of this Arlo Essential wired camera. It's an indoor camera and has some features here. Let me just read here on the box. So basically it has noise cancelling in two-way audio, so you can talk to the camera using your cell phone and vice versa. Somebody close to the camera can talk to the camera and you can listen onto your cell phone, right? So it connects directly to Wi-Fi, has night vision and automated privacy shield. The camera has high resolution, so works with 1080p. And also has the Arlo Secure with the trial included. Here you see more information about the connection. It works with Alexa, IFTTT, and also Google. And here you see more information about night vision and also receive alerts when motion is detected, okay? So let's pop this box open to have more about this inside. So let's take a look here. Here we go. Let's just remove this paper. And here you have it, the camera itself, just here in the center. Let me just remove it. Here we go, a small camera, pretty nice. It comes already with the mount here, so you can move the way, so you can adjust the way you want. And basically here you're gonna install onto a wall, for example. Usually comes with an adapter. Let me just check here. Here we go, I have the adapter. So you're gonna install here with 2 screws, and then you put like this and you just slide and you have your camera connected onto a wall or something like that, okay? Also to a pole, whatever you want to install, okay? And remember, that's a wired camera, so it comes with the wire. You just need to connect this to the camera and then connect to the power brick. All right, let me just take a look more here in the camera. So we have here, this is the front of the camera. It's a nice one. It's a beautiful camera. Back here you see the speaker as well and the connection for the wire. So basically a wired camera. Let's see what else you have here in the box. So basically here the cable to connect to the camera, the mount accessory, right? And here is the brick, which is a good one because I have here the name Arlo, so I don't lose the brick. Usually I start losing bricks around because they don't have name. So usually I just write the name of the bricks. This one comes with Arlo here, which is pretty good, right? Here you just connect the USB and you're good to go. And also here comes with the anchors and screws, so you can install with this accessory here. And what else I have here? Let me just take a look here, some paperwork. Okay, set up your essential indoor camera. And here information that works with the app from Google Play or Apple's App Store. Here we go. Information about what comes in the box. Some paperwork. And let's see if you have more things here. I think there's nothing here. Just boxes, right? More boxes and boxes, boxes. Nothing else. And here we go. Just boxes, right? So guys, basically that's comes into the box. You have your camera, you have the brick, cables, and accessory for installation, okay? So it's pretty good. This is a quick unbox of the Arlo. If you want to get yours, just go to Amazon where I got mine. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.